The only requirement for making banana bread is that you use ripe bananas. Because the riper your bananas are, the more you get that rich banana flavor. You probably think it's the right time to throw it out, but we all know it's banana bread time. And today I'm going to show you how to make that perfectly moist banana bread. Because when you have a really good one, it's life-changing. So go ahead, take 4 to 6 ripe bananas and put it in a medium bowl and start mashing it. You can use the end of a fork or a whisk, or even the whisks on your mixer. Leave the bananas as chunky or as smooth as you prefer, but I do prefer leaving it chunky. Next, we're going to melt the 1 cup of butter by placing it on top of something hot, like this hot lemon water for my mama. If you're impatient like me, you can slice the butter into smaller parts and stir it to increase the rate of dissolving. Next, we will lightly beat 5 eggs before adding it to the batter. Then add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of white sugar for sweetness and another 1/2 cup of brown sugar for that caramel-like result to get that really great flavor that we're after. And add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Just make sure to sieve it first. And don't forget to add 2 teaspoons of sodium bicarbonate or baking soda because it is more important to the recipe than you may think. And now we're going to mix the batter well, but not too much. Then let's leave the batter to rest, but not you because you have to prepare the loaf pans. Traditionally, you can butter the pan if you want, but I like to use wax paper. So this is how I line the baking pan with wax paper. I crease all 4 sides by using the bottom of the pan as guide. Then I cut one side of the corner square and do the same to the other sides so that I can fold it well when I place it on the loaf pan. Now that the batter has rested, it's time to divide these into the pans. Make sure to only fill half of the pan because the bread will have to rise later. Now, to add a little twist to your banana bread, you can add chocolates and nuts. Personally, I like to add chocolate chips or chunks of dark chocolate to get some pockets of chocolate in the bread. Just make sure not to add a lot because the bread will most likely break based on personal experience. Nuts are great too as toppings. I'm adding walnuts in one pan and almond slices on the other. Once that's done, set the oven to 190 degrees Celsius and bake the banana bread for an hour. If you're too afraid to underbake or overbake it, you can do the toothpick test to see if it is done. Once it's done baking, let it cool before you slice and eat it. And now, you're ready to enjoy your perfectly moist banana bread. Alright, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to comment down below if you enjoyed this recipe. Hopefully, I'll be better at making videos that you can enjoy and I will see you guys soon. Bye!